might be new to this thing might feel new to, but if you like everything.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with another video, and in today's video I am featuring qvrhair. That stands for Queen Virgin Remy, and today I have this gorgeous wig. This is a water wave wig. Big shout out to Queen Virgin Remy Hair for sponsoring today's video. So today we have a 28-inch. Now I know y'all gonna come for me about the inches, but just listen, hear me out. It's a 28-inch, 250 density HD water wave lace frontal wig. So right away, I'm gonna just tell you that the lace is very delicate. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on in the video. I love the wave pattern. So it doesn't look like much right now. I bleached the knots when I received this wig, and then I knew I wanted to try. I know you see those styles trending with like some abstract braids placed within the lace frontal. So I wanted to try something different. I just did a braid down the center going to the back, one simple braid. And we are going to style her. We're going to install her, and then I'm going to wet her down, style the baby hairs, and all of that. So I did tear the lace on the left side, and I was tight, but baby, we still made it work. I was still able to install this wig. So that's why I say be very careful with this lace. This is definitely a true HD lace because it gives a very realistic skin scalp look, but it is very delicate. So now moving on to the actual hair. I love this curl pattern. Well, it's more of a wave. It's a water wave. It is absolutely gorgeous. Not only is it pretty when you wet it down, but when you air dry this hair, once it dries and fluffs out, it is stunning, okay? I wish I would have sat long enough to let the hair fully dry for you to see, but you get the gist. Hair is absolutely gorgeous. Now, when it comes to the length, I was sent over a 28-inch. If you stretch it, because I'm stretching it now, I'm in the mirror right now, and if you stretch this hair all the way down, it comes to like my waist. So I guess it could be 28, but keep in mind with wavy textures and curly textures, it's going to look a little shorter because I'm guessing that it is measured at the stretched length. But this hair is very pretty. This is some of the prettiest water wave that I've received in a very long time. The construction of this wig, it is a 13x4, but the parting space does taper off to the side, so keep that in mind. Most of your 4 inches to the back is towards the center. So that's why I decided to do the braid going back on this towards the center. I did want to add some on the sides and do all of that, but the lace parting does taper off, so that style would be fit for a full parting frontal. But otherwise, I absolutely love this. It is very much 250 density once it is dry. The hair is very full, very, very pretty. Like, I'm kind of upset that I had that mishap with the lace because this is a gorgeous wig. But I will have all the details down in the description box. Go on over to IG because I'm going to post a picture. Whenever I drop this video, that day I should drop a picture. I'm going to drop a picture, and in that picture you'll see the hair fully dry. So big shout out to qvrhair. The hair is gorgeous. That's all I have to say. It's big shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.